So just running briefly through the connections to the board. This is connector D on the MCM, and we have the negative connected to the far left outermost pin. You don't have to cut that pin. We have the positive connected to the far right outermost pin. Then we have the H-line signal, and that is soldered to the second row of pins, the third one along to the right. Connector C, second row, that's going in between these outer ones. It's connected to the third pin along in the middle row. Then we have command power and IMA mode 1. Now these are probably the most difficult for connections because they're grouped quite close together. So connector C again, second pin in from the outside on the outermost group. That is command power in, and then you have to cut that pin, and the pin going down, the other half of that pin is the command power out from the circuit board. And then the next row in, so basically underneath this pin which we've cut, is the mode 1, and again where the pin comes into the socket there's a wire soldered to that, and the pin is then cut, and then the output from the printed circuit board goes to the pin which is going down onto the main printed circuit board. So that's command power and MAN mode 1. MAN mode 2 is over this side, and you can see again this is the third pin in from the right hand side, connector A, and it's the outermost group, or outermost pin, so it's the top pin in other words. So that's been cut again, and the white wire on the top is the mode 2 in, and the white wire underneath is the mode 1 out. So that's all the wires on that side of the circuit board. So the brown wire, which was the SCS blink wire from the earlier video, goes through the corner, the gap on the circuit board, and that solders to the first pin, as you can see there. Very difficult to get to that pin from the other side, so it's easier to come around this side and solder that on there. So that's the only connections that need to be made in the MCM. I will post a few photographs as well, but hopefully that's reasonably clear.